How to use REDNOTE app. Let's get started. Today, I am going to show you how to use the REDNOTE app, a powerful and creative platform that's taking the world by storm in 2025. If you're new to REDNOTE or just curious about how it works, this tutorial is perfect for you. So let's dive right in. First things first, install the REDNOTE app. Head over to Play Store or App Store, then search for the app REDNOTE. Look for the app with over 10 million downloads to make sure you are installing the right one. It's gonna appear in the Chinese language, so don't get confused. Once you have downloaded it, open the app and let's get started. To use REDNOTE, you will need to create an account. I have linked a detailed tutorial in the video description for you. It's a quick and simple process, so follow that if you need help. Once you have created your account, click on the Me section to personalize your profile. Now click on the option Edit Profile. From here you are able to update your username, bio, gender, birthday and other details. Personalizing your profile makes it easier for others to connect with you on the app. Once you provide all the details, click on Save. Next, let's set up the app. Head over to the Settings section. Here you can adjust the language. English is the default, but you can switch to another language if needed. You can also toggle between light and dark mode. Click on three bars, navigate to the option Settings. Now click on General Settings option. Now from here you are able to change the language. Click on Language option and select the option of your choice. Likewise, head back, click on Font Size and update your font size. Then you can head back, navigate to the option Dark Mode. From here you can switch between light or dark mode. Once your settings are ready, let's explore the app. Now in the Home section, you will see three main tabs: Follow, Explore and Nearby. The Follow tab shows content from people you follow. The Explore tab features trending videos from across the app. The Nearby tab displays content from users near your location. Just allow location access to use this feature. Want to find specific content? Use the search bar at the top. You can search in English, Chinese or other languages. For example, searching for dance shows you a mix of English and Chinese content, with more English videos being added every day. REDNOTE also has a messaging feature. You can chat with friends or even create group chat to connect with multiple users at once. It's a great way to stay in touch with your REDNOTE community. You can follow the users and be friends with them and message them. Now let's create some content. Tap the plus button at the bottom of the screen. Now here you're gonna find the Film option, Album, Camera and Live. If you wanna select the picture or video from the gallery, set it to Album. If you wanna shoot the video or click the picture, click the option of Camera. Allow access to the camera. Likewise, Microphone. Now you can click the picture or shoot the video. Also, you can use different features of REDNOTE. So for this video, I'm gonna select pictures from my gallery. Now you can use these features of REDNOTE, filter, text, sticker and edit your video. Then click on Next. Before posting, you will need to verify your mobile number. REDNOTE supports various countries, so simply select your country code and enter your phone number and verify with the code. After this, your post will be live. And that's it. You are ready to explore, create and connect to the REDNOTE app. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.